Well, after watching the movie, because I've seen it like a few times, bilang isang beses, there's particularly so many scenes that hits me emotionally at okay, mapapatawa ka. It's something that it's a lot of things that are very heartwarming, a lot of moments that, yeah, reminds me of Maricel Soriano.
No way.
Yes, I mean, I'm not kidding because, I grew up with Maricel Soriano. Parang tuwa ako dito sa bahay kung pinapanood ko kasi parang bawat galaw niya natatawa ka. And of course, si JM.
Kanino? Pwede baka may reference
Ayaw
ka?
ko, ha?
May
Kasi
reference ka ba?
actually, kasi parang it's so natural.
Kung Maricel Sepian, sino naman si JM? Talaga inuplaspad kita
Well,
mismo.
si JM is really, like, I don't know, as a young star before, pero si JM really has the eyes na talagang, the way he does his acting and how, as a best friend, he has a secret admiration sa best friend niya. Mararamdaman mo talaga. Yun talaga. I mean, it's so natural. Parang they're not really acting.
Oo.
Nakaka-carry the way ako sa mga eksena. Especially one scene, more towards the third act, na napaiyak pa ako. Seriously, napaiyak niyo ako. So, I hope that you guys, when you watch it, matutuwa.
May 5 tayo sa Mega Mall.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Rosel. Thank you, James. At this point, react lang muna. Kasi JM Fianza sinabi nila, naiiyak ka. Dan yung Maricel Soriano. Comment sa sinabi ng producer natin, Fianza.
Nakaka-pressure naman po yun. Speechless.
Sobra. Nagulat ako sa revelation. Ganun agad ganyan.
Maraming salamat po, pero... Naiyak ko eh.
Uy, hindi ganyan si Fianza. Speechless talaga kasi usually may sagot agad yan eh. Pero ngayon, hindi niya alam what to say. Kasi ako nagulat din what Miss Rosel delivered. Nakakagulat. Nakaka-pressure. Yung relatability siguro talaga ng pelikula, ang lakas. And of course, yung may mata raw, tayo walang mata. Si JM may mata daw kasi. JM may mata ka daw. So ibig sabihin, importante ang mata sa isang aktor. Any word, any comment?
Thank you. Hindi ko rin alam ano sasabihin. Thank you po. Siguro, thankful po kami sa Regal sobra. Kasi bukod sa sila yung nagbigay ng first film namin sa SRR. And yung dream din namin magkaroon ng solo film, sila din po ito. So sobrang nararamdaman namin para sa Regal. Sobra na kung gaano kong ka-grateful na meron kaming sila. So sana po proud kayo sa pelikula natin.
Sir Key, you have seen the rushes, the edits. Would you like to say the same sa sinabi ni Mr. Sir JP about the finished product?
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, you're on. Medyo.
The finished product was good. I mean, there's a lot of laughter. Pero may konting gulat pa rin. Because my mom medyo siya. And then honestly, I got to preview some of the rushes to, I can't name them, pero some industry people, some of them very senior, matagal-matagal sa industry, and so many of them actually really did compare yeah, to their sister. So like, not just my mom, but a lot of places for
You had it previewed by different ages, parang gano'n.
yeah. I can't name who, baka mahuli sila, pero yeah.
Awag na lang.
And of course, JM did good. Pero even like the other cast members like Yuki, Sam, JM, the whole time I was like laughing at their jokes, their chemistry on screen. So it just came together really nicely. And then when you see Dustin in the EU world, superstar talaga dating niya, it just came together nicely, I think, from start to finish.
Siyempre, you were part of the selection process ng the role ni Kenzo, si Dustin. Right away, it's Dustin.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right away. I mean, we were looking for somebody na believable na movie star na agad.
I know,
So, like,
mga
world
idol
debut.
agad din, no? Di ba? Perfect eh.
Yeah. So So it was like it was good timing. And then yeah, I never got a chance to work with Sam and JM before, so it was nice to see them. So audition pa lang, like they were perfect for the role. And as Yuki mentioned, kala niya spam callers kami. But I'm glad that she finally answered and considered the role. But yeah, everything just came together nicely.